Alright, YouTube, 116 Falconer. This is just a quick video on how to upload videos of over 15 minutes long from your iPad or your iPhone to YouTube. If you go on your photos and try to share it with YouTube, you'll get the warning that it's too long. Let's see here. Video is too long. Alright, so doesn't matter what you do, you're not going to be able to upload it. You can do it from iMovie, anything, won't let you upload it. What you got to do is go into your actual YouTube app, not Studio, not anything else, but the YouTube app, and then up at the top. All right, people, 116 Falconer. Just click up at the top. You have your little movie camera right there. You just hit that, and then you can either record a video, go live, or select from things saved in your photo album. So if we take our 16-minute video right here, 16:52.
All right, YouTube, 116 Falconer. Today we are...
And you select that. You have the option to trim it, do whatever you want down here. Hit next. Then you can put in your title, description, public, whatever, and you can upload it. You're still going to have to go into Studio and to do your editing. I mean, not editing, but like if you want to monetize, put your tags, your keywords in there, whatever, you're gonna have to do that in YouTube Studio. But like I say, all you got to do is go into your actual YouTube app, hit that camera. Let's go back. Discard changes. Hit your camera right there, and bam, done. All right, that's it. See ya, bitches.